Hey there, welcome to another video. I'm going to show you two things. First one is wrap text and the next one is merge and center. So let me just get the grid lines back here. Now wrap text is really useful for, let's say I had people's ages in here, right? And the title for this particular table is the age of all dinosaurs in the crustacean crustacean, I don't know how to spell it, period. Okay, so obviously if I have another column of stuff in there and then I have a title in here of, let's say, something, this doesn't look very good. So what you can use is what's called wrap text, and wrap text lets you go to the next line. So the button is right here, wrap text. If I click on that, it's going to put it all into the one cell and wrap around. Okay, so now I can control this and the benefit of this is I don't have a column that looks like this, right? Which is just ridiculous. So I can make the column narrower but still have a very descriptive title. Okay, that's the first thing. The next thing is merge. Merging is, for example, let's clear this out. Right, and let's say I have left and right, and I have a bunch of things underneath, and I have a bunch of things underneath, and let's say these left and rights, I'm just gonna justify it, both belong under car. Okay, I want car to be on top of both of them, not just the left side, right? So we can use what's called merge and center. So you select the item you want to extend and then where you want to extend it to. And that's simply by clicking and dragging to that cell. Okay. Then what I do is I go to the home menu tab, alignment, and merge center. So when I click on that, look what happens. It makes it into one cell. So you can select, deselect into one cell, right? The other one I like to use is sometimes I need it to extend over multiple ones. And instead of doing this, merge, which is what most people do, merge. Okay, what I do is get rid of that. I can select the whole thing. I can click on this little triangle next to merge and center, and there's other merge methods that you can use. And the one I use most of the time is this merge across. These ones I barely even use. So I go merge across and it will do all the rows you've selected. To get rid of it, highlight it all, deselect, and yo, done.